In this video, I'll show you how to download Fox Sports application on your smart TV. Like to subscribe to the channel and find this video helpful. So this is how to download Fox Sports on your Android or smart TV without Google Play Store. You're going to come out to this application called Downloader, which is an application I love using a lot to download files or APKs that I don't have on my App Store or Google Play. So once you're here, just type in Fox Sports. Now, before I forget, if you don't download on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you to get download to your smart TV. After getting downloaded, you're going to come over here and search. So when you type in the keyword Fox Sports, here's what you should do. Now, to be more specific, you can type in Fox Sports application for smart TV. But you can just go ahead and type in Fox Sports and see what is going to come up for us. So once you come over here, just click on Go. Once you click on Go, here's the option. Share the result page. And as you can see on my screen, there are various options of Fox Sports. Now you can scroll through them to see which one has the application. Right, I think each of them might have an application. So let's just go and see Fox Sports, Fox Sports. Here's Fox Sports on App Store. Alright, we didn't see what we want. So you can go over here and click on next and still see what is going to pop up. So here are other options and you can keep on searching for the application. Remember, I search for the application. Now if you don't see the application, you can come over back here and come over to home. And then instead of just Fox Sport, type in Fox Sport application. Now, if you type in a longer keyword, you're just going to get the right results without any struggles. So Fox Sports app, click on Go, and as you can see on my screen here, here's the option. So here's one option. Here's another option. I think it's download apps for iPhone, iPad, Android, and TV. This option is going to work. Right, here's another option. You can try this option. So just try any of the options that you've seen here, and then if anyone works for you, good and fine. So you can try that first option or this option down. Let's try this and see. If you come over here, just click on it, and once you click here, here's what is going to happen. Once you click here, here's application. So if you see the download or install button, you can go ahead and install the application to your smart TV. But if the download button is not there, you can come back and go back to the first option, which I think this one is going to work. Just click here and you can go ahead and download the application to your smart TV. That can subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.